Are you a runner, or are you somebody who plays sport who has got pain at the back of their thigh, so into those hamstrings? Or have you pulled your hamstring? Have you caused a strain while you've been out running? Well, today I'm going to show you 3 exercises that we're going to help you overcome that problem. Now, I'm Gav Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy, and you're watching the 10X Physio channel. And remember, at this channel, we give you all the top tips and advice that will help 10 times your health today. Now, just stay tuned. If you have any questions at the end of the video, please feel free, ask them in the comments. We reply to them all. So stay tuned and let's get watching. So here we are with our first exercise. So this is called the extender. So as you can see, you will be lying down onto your back. You're going to take your leg and just bend your leg up to here. You're going to grab in behind that leg into here. And all we're going to do is gently straighten that leg up towards the ceiling and then back down. Again, that's just going to be to whatever limit that you're able to do. And we're going to repeat that exercise 12 times. We're not going to make Chris do 12 here, but that's what we're doing. Again, legs should be feeling, you should feel that little bit of a stretch on the leg as that leg straightens up to the ceiling, and that is our extender. So here we are with our diver exercise. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our patient to stand onto that bad leg. Okay, we're in this little bit of a step stance here. We're basically, it's going to be a diving type of motion. So we're actually just going to bend from the waist. We're going to keep that upper body nice and straight. And the other leg is going to just gently lift behind and reach out behind. Okay, so off we go. Okay, good. So you'll see Chris has got a nice angle of his upper body there. And it's all about this hip extension here. Just do 2 more. Last one. And that is our diver exercise. And again, we want to be doing 3 sets of 6 repetitions. Okay, and the final exercise is the glider. So we're going to make sure we're standing close to a wall or a chair, something that you can get a little bit of support with. What Chris is going to do, he's going to take his weight onto that right leg, and he's going to keep that weight onto his right heel. And then he will just slide and glide that left leg back. Again, still trying to keep that right leg straight. And then it's that hip extension as he comes back up. So he's really starting to work into the hamstrings and a little bit into those glutes muscles. And again, your range of movement will depend on how long your muscles actually are. So for this exercise, again, we're doing 3 sets of 6 repetitions. So there you have it. There's our top 3 exercises that you need to do if you have a hamstring strain. Now, if you like what you've seen or you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. We reply to them all. So I'm Gav Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy. You've been watching the 10X Physio channel. Again, please have a good look at some of the other videos on our channel here because they're all aimed at improving your health. Thanks for watching.